Welcome to AutoVibe. Today we're talking about a motorcycle that has earned a strong reputation in the USA and worldwide, the Suzuki SV650. Known for its versatility, reliability, and fun-to-ride character, this bike has been a favorite among both beginners and experienced riders. Design and looks. The Suzuki SV650 carries a simple yet striking naked bike design. Its sculpted fuel tank, exposed frame, and minimalist styling give it a sporty and aggressive street presence. It's a motorcycle that blends practicality with style, making it appealing to a wide range of riders. Engine and performance. At the heart of the SV650 is a 645 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine that produces around 75 horsepower. This engine is smooth, responsive, and delivers a unique exhaust note that riders love. It strikes the right balance, easy to handle in the city and powerful enough for highways and spirited rides. Comfort and handling. Lightweight and agile, the SV650 is designed for confident handling. Its upright seating position and well-padded seat make it comfortable for both short commutes and long rides. The suspension setup is balanced, absorbing bumps while keeping the ride engaging and fun. Features and technology. The bike comes equipped with a digital LCD display showing speed, gear position, fuel level, and trip data. Suzuki has also added smart features like the Easy Start system and low RPM assist, which reduce the chances of stalling and make the bike more beginner-friendly. Fuel efficiency and maintenance. Along with performance, the SV650 is also fuel efficient, delivering around 20 to 25 km/L depending on riding style. Maintenance costs are reasonable, making it a reliable and budget-friendly option for long-term ownership. Conclusion. The Suzuki SV650 is a true all-rounder. With its stylish looks, smooth performance, rider-friendly features, and affordability, it stands out as one of the best mid-range motorcycles you can buy. Whether you're just starting your riding journey or looking for a dependable everyday machine, the SV650 won't. Subscribe to more information and videos. Thanks for watching.